What's up, man? Back at it again, another video. I'm about to do an install of the Bossin gaming chair. I need one just for overall work and just doing filming. My back be hurting sometimes, so I felt this is a good one to use. So I'm gonna do a step-by-step on the process of putting it together and give my review on how I feel and just moving around. So let's get to it. So first we're gonna start off with the feet. Starfish base. You gotta tap this bad boy on here. I'm gonna flip it. You get 6, you get 5 of these. Screw them on the bottom. Handle. Next, you got the hydraulics, and there's the cover. Simple. Now we're gonna move this out the way. Now we got the seats. Next, you see, front seats fixed inside right here, and this is where you put your feet. Next, we got pretty much what connects the chair bottom piece and the hydraulics. Just line this up. They got the cutout pretty solid. You can tell pretty easily where is what. Once that lines up with all 4 alignments. Take these screws, and these obviously come with the chair. We're gonna take this and counterclockwise it. Clockwise turn it. Next up, I gotta install the spine. Pretty much what connects this to this. So it says, see how it says front? Lines up in the hole. Only issue I'm having that it is some slight alignment that is off. So it's like a 1/4 inch, not a 1/4 inch, but like slightly kind of too far. Like the hole is kind of slightly too, maybe I put it on. Yeah, it's like a little bit too. I'm gonna redo this and probably let it probably did a little too tight. And yeah, to make sure this is lined up perfectly, even when you screwing it in, just get it more. There you go. Okay. So since this kind of moves a lot more a little more sporadically, I'm just gonna don't tightly screw these in before each one. Just lightly, just put them in place, and then I can screw them in a lot easier. But don't like kind of have one screwed in already, so because this kind of leans out a little bit. These kind of, so make sure they're all in one in the hole. Damn, almost done. I got a few more things to do. Alright, now I'm about to put this bad boy on here. I'm gonna put this chair a little bit forward. You get your little B screws. Probably the hardest one though, I ain't gonna hold you. It's like it don't even fit in the groove, man. But it's like, alright, this one actually kind of hard. I ain't gonna hold you. Alright, so the trick is hold it forward like this. That thing will screw in. There you go. Jesus, boy, this thing hard, man. Oh my God, you gotta really put some power in this. Let's tighten this just in case. I don't want no issue. Chair looking nice and done. So all I gotta do, put the arms on there. And make sure it's facing right side like this. And I'm gonna put the bottom one on there first. So that's it. So I can have some good stability. So I'm gonna do this right here. I'm gonna do this. And I'm gonna have it already sealed in like that. So I can actually see it go in. Hold up. And just keep holding it as you screw. It should be able to hold itself on its own. There you go. Locked in. And all you gotta do is line this one up, push that in. This is nice and firm. You want to keep sure everything is nice and tight because you're always gonna be putting a lot of pressure and your weight on these eventually screws loose up. So get this as tight as you can, especially since there's no error, everything is good and firm. Gonna put these small little caps on here. Now we go to the next arm. We do the same exact process. I'm left-handed, so it's a little challenging, a little harder. And these takes a pretty fair amount of screw in. It's not really 3 screws and it's locked in. You gonna have to put some little muscle elbow grease in these a little bit. Now this is all done. Actually, one more thing. I forgot to put the rubber grips under here. So this, you do this right here. So this one doesn't slide out. Like I'm gonna take this off. See, comes out. Comes out. What you're gonna do is you put this rope like this. Done. So let me test this and see if it works. And I'm 6 foot, 220. Lean back. Comfortably. That's that lean back. Yeah. Yeah. And it stays. And it stays still. Ooh, that thing hydraulic. Yeah. Okay. Okay, good. I give it about what? 10 out of 10. Hold up, I ain't even peeped this though. This is like the future me talking right now. This thing got a whole massager. I was literally about to put the pillows up to make a picture. This got a whole massager. Check this out. You can massage this right here. It's in this big pillow right here. The whole massager right in this bad boy. Now watch this, check this out. Get it? Ooh. My take of it, everything was pretty easy to do. Only challenge that I had was the screwing in that back piece of the spine, because that took me like 1,000 takes to do it. It's kind of lining it up and actually getting it all the screws to fill in. Other than that, everything is pretty easy, self-explanatory. They give you the screws and the size. They give you the screws with the size numbers on there, and they tell you exactly what to screw in, what not to screw in, so it's not too difficult. I know on Amazon, you get the option to get someone to pay for it. If you're not gonna have a little muscle strength to kind of turn the screws, then I suggest doing it, but you can do this by yourself. It probably took me like 20 minutes to kind of put this whole chair together. It can save you some money, and it works pretty well. I'm a bigger guy, so if it fits someone that's 6'1", 200 and something pounds, then you should be able to, anybody shorter or smaller than that, you should be able to sit in this chair comfortably. So overall, just on the first day, installing and testing out, I give it a big thumbs up. I recommend you get this chair. It's pretty easy to use. It got a nice little lean back. It doesn't come up as fast, but it still comes up, rises up though. So I guess I'll give it that. Okay, yes, that's how you lock it. Okay, I figured out how to lock it. Like it, comfortable. So hit the subscribe button, and I'm out. Gone.